Hello, it's Rick with Roof Geeks. I am up here on your flat roof system. Now you may have a flat roof and think, well, everything looks great. I shouldn't really have any issues. And on first general look, it does look good. The coating looks good. I don't see real issues there. But there are issues that can pop up that you just don't know. Little cracks like this that need to be sealed along the edges and the perimeters. Those all can cause a problem. Let me show you what this one in particular caused. So this is a direct result from that crack and water being able to get into the area there, and you can see it's caused all kinds of wood damage. So this is a much more costly repair now. Something that could have easily been avoided with regular roof maintenance. So I'm back here up on a roof, and again, just the smallest of cracks or fissures that go unattended can cause that kind of damage. And there are a few along this roof line that have occurred that with regular maintenance can be avoided. So right in here now, because water has been able to get into this crack, the wood here is squishy. So what's going to be required is cutting out a whole section here of this foam, redoing it and seeing what kind of wood damage there is there, and replacing all of that wood.